Hi, welcome to this episode of Faith Beauty Buzz. Today we are going to be speaking on sweating. The first thing is that we need to understand the concept of sweating before we can see how we can manage it. So, what is sweating? Sweating is your body's way of cooling down. It's like an inbuilt conditioner. When you perform a strenuous exercise or you're stressed out, your body will need to remove the heat. So that's how sweating comes about. Your brain tells your sweat glands to produce water mixed with salts. That's sweating. Now, how can we manage sweating? The first one is use of antiperspirants, because when you use deodorant they just mask the smell. So if the deodorant lasts for like 5 hours, once that 5 hours elapse, the smell will come back. But note that sweat does not originally smell. It's the bacteria on your skin that eat and digest the sweat. So it's that waste product that actually smells. When you use antiperspirant produce aluminium salts, and this helps to reduce sweating. The second one is that you should cut down eating of spicy food and taking of caffeine and alcohol. It helps to reduce sweating. Then when you want to sleep at night, don't wear polyester. You can wear a silk and cotton material. It helps to reduce sweating. Now, after taking all these steps and you notice that your sweating is still there, you always sweat much, you can just visit your dermatologist. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. See you next time. Bye.